Polygon is an Ethereum sidechain and Layer 2 scaling solution that has seen significant enterprise and industry adoption over the past 12 months. With that, many analysts are excited about the future price of its native coin, MATIC. Polygon price history. Polygon was created in 2019, originally under the name of MATIC. The coin's roots are in the Binance exchange, where it underwent an ICO in 2019 at a price of $0.00263. According to CoinMarketCap, the initial launch price after its ICO was $0.004418. Until 2021, the MATIC price remained relatively flat, trading at just a few cents. However, in January 2021, as the broader market began to pick up, MATIC exploded above 10 cents. This was due to gas fees increasing on the Ethereum network and the narrative above Layer 2 scaling solutions picking up. Following this, MATIC followed a strong upwards trajectory, reaching $2.44 in May 2021 before correcting. The price reached support of around $0.689 in July 2021 before climbing steadily to its at of $2.92 on the 27th of December 2021. After its at, a crypto bear market ensued, causing MATIC to drop to lows of $0.3466. Since then, the coin has recovered to $0.6452 but is still down 77% from its at. In the last month, Polygon has seen a significant sell-off, down 25%. This is because the SEC has sued Binance and Coinbase for selling unregistered securities. Unfortunately for Polygon, it was one of the cryptos named a security by the SEC. Adding fuel to the fire, Robinhood has announced it will delist Polygon, Cardano and Solana, liquidating any of the coins left on its exchange on the 27th of June. This has caused fear in the coins community since the extra sell pressure could harm their prices. That said, it is likely lots of this fear is already priced into the recent collapse in price. Polygon price prediction 2024. Since the Bitcoin halving will take place next April, most analysts predict the next bull market will occur in 2024. This is backed up by the recent events of institutions racing to get Bitcoin spot ETFs approved. With this in mind, we will likely see Polygon begin to uptrend in 2024. However, regulatory uncertainty could stunt its growth. We saw this with the price of XRP during the last bull run, where it could not regain its previous bull run's at due to the SEC lawsuit. However, MATIC is a utility coin to the Polygon ecosystem, required to pay gas fees to use the network, among other things. Therefore, there is still a significant chance that the SEC's allegations are incorrect, and MATIC could be proven a currency and, thus, a commodity rather than a security. Another exciting thing about the Polygon network is that it has seen the highest level of enterprise adoption among all Ethereum scaling solutions. Companies like Starbucks, Nike, Reddit and Facebook are all building on the Polygon network. This is a testament to the Polygon business development team but also shows that large corporations are less concerned about the regulatory uncertainty on Polygon. With this in mind, Polygon could gain considerable bullish momentum as the enterprise adoption narrative builds during the 2024 bull market. The Polygon team have also recently announced the release of an AI tool, Polygon Copilot. Powered by ChatGPT, Polygon Copilot will empower developers to analyze data and gain insights into their Polygon dApps. Essentially, this should make building on Polygon even, leading to better dApps and an improved user experience. Considering this, Polygon has lots of room for growth heading into 2024. Our Polygon price prediction estimates possible highs of $1.97, lows of 95 cents and an average price of $1.46 by the end of 2024. Polygon price prediction 2025. During a bull market, Ethereum gas fees skyrocket, becoming unaffordable for the average crypto user. This is why Polygon gained so much hype during the previous bull market. While we could see history repeat itself in 2025, Polygon faces much stiffer competition this time in the likes of Arbitrum, Optimism and Starknet. That said, Polygon's POS chain can theoretically compute up to 65,000 transactions per second, TPS, and can process transactions for less than other chains like Arbitrum and Optimism. However, its POS chain comes with several drawdowns too. Since it was launched in 2019, it is one of the oldest Ethereum sidechains. One of the main drawdowns is its transaction finality. On Polygon POS, transactions can take 1 or 2 minutes to process. In comparison, finality occurs in 1 second on a chain like the Binance Smart Chain. Ultimately, this leads to usability issues on Polygon POS. Yet, in recent years, Polygon has been working on a zero-knowledge rollup (ZK rollup) solution known as POLYGON's EVM. This is an Ethereum-compatible blockchain that computes transactions off the main chain, publishing only cryptographic proof of the transaction to the main chain. This requires less data to be stored on the main Ethereum chain, helping with scalability while benefiting from Ethereum's security and finality. Also, ZK rollups offer near-instant transaction finality. Polygon has recently released POLYGON's EVM to the public, and it is one of the first ZK rollups to be released. This is a significant step forward for the Polygon ecosystem, providing it with a first-mover advantage. Considering its enterprise adoption, innovative tech solutions and success thus far, Polygon could reach a new AT in 2025. However, the coin centralization and ongoing SEC saga also present downside risk. Our MATIC price prediction 2025 estimates a possible high of $3.20, a low of $1.50 and an average price of $2.35 by the end of 2025. Polygon price prediction 2030. Polygon's Swiss Army knife approach to crypto by providing multiple solutions for different tasks presents significant potential. However, it also means the project risks being outmaneuvered by projects focusing on only one solution. For example, since launching its POS chain in 2019, it has taken Polygon 4 years to release its following product, the POLYGON's EVM. This means Polygon could struggle with inefficiency in the long term, particularly considering the competitiveness of the Ethereum Layer 2 industry. However, in an exciting new development, Polygon Labs has proposed upgrading the POLYGON POS chain to ZK EVM. This would increase the chain's speed and security and enable the Polygon team to focus on improving their ZK rollup technology. With this in mind, Polygon undoubtedly has the potential to be one of the best long-term cryptos, particularly considering it has been the go-to chain for large corporations onboarding to Web3 thus far. Considering this, our 2030 Polygon price prediction forecasts possible highs of $6, lows of $3 and an average price of $4.50. What is Polygon and what is it used for? Polygon is an Ethereum Sidechain and Layer 2 scaling solution. It features a POS blockchain, launched in 2019, and a newer ZK EVM chain. Polygon's EVM boasts countless benefits, such as instant transaction finality, high security and the ability to store much less data on the main Ethereum chain. Interestingly, Polygon is the go-to chain for companies such as Starbucks, Nike and Reddit to build in crypto. This has actually caused the number of active addresses on Polygon to climb since its AT in December 2021. This is because companies like Reddit and Starbucks use the Polygon blockchain technology and manage crypto wallets for users on their platforms. Most end users do not even know they are using blockchain technology. In regards to the MATIC token utility, its main purpose is to pay gas fees when making transactions. Also, network validators need MATIC for staking to compute transactions and earn rewards on the network. Conclusion. Overall, Polygon could be one of the most promising Ethereum scaling solutions. However, it comes with the above-mentioned risks and already has a significant market cap, limiting its growth potential. Therefore, we have compiled a list of our choices for the best cryptos to buy now. We ranked these altcoins based on key metrics such as price history, use cases, community backing and much more. Important note: the prices mentioned in this video may differ at the time of playback and viewing, due to the continuous volatility and fluctuation of crypto market prices.